Here it is, October 29th, and our first snow. We're expecting, what, 3 to 5 inches? It rained most of the night, but now it's snowing. Very heavy. We got to go rescue our trees. There's a stressed out maple tree we got to go fix. Diane already took the snow off our little willow at the pond. It was bent clear over on the fence. Coming down hard. Here we go.
Our first snow of 2011. Our maple tree hasn't lost its leaves yet, and Randy's rescuing it. We could hear trees falling in the woods. Nothing like taking a shower in the snow. This is a very wet, heavy snow. Nice job.
That worked pretty good?
Worked great.
Well, that definitely is a weeping willow. I'm going to grab it with my hand. Give it a little shake. Whoa. Yep, she's standing again. Hard to believe it was in the mid-70s last weekend. Some snow's falling off the sycamore tree. Looks like it's holding up the burden pretty good. The willow tree at the goldfish pond, I did knock some snow off the limbs. A lot of little tiny branches broke off, but I think that's pretty typical shedding. I don't know if you can see it, but here's all the goldfish are all hanging out in this deep section. You can just see the orange glow. Poor butterfly bush. It's going to be some natural pruning this year, that's for sure. The 2 cattails that bore the fruit, if that's what you call them, the cattail ends. Still coming down pretty strong. Still some snow-free patches under these dense cedar trees. There's our berm that crosses over to the wetlands. Shadow's hunting. We are along the stream bank of Fox Run. Some more casualties. Pine tree and the cedar tree crossing over there. Whoa, just got hammered with some falling snow. Fortunately, I have the umbrella. Snow's coming down hard again. Yep, I don't know if that dogwood is broken, bent, or can be saved. I don't know. Stream is flowing pretty good. You can see how much the snow is stuck to the power wires. That wire's wiggling. What does that mean? That goes to our property. Huh. That's the phone line that comes to our mini barn. And it's dancing. Don't know why. A little bit of water flowing in this seasonal stream. I'm sure there'll be more later. My feet are freezing cold in these rubber boots, so I definitely got to go in and warm up for a little bit. There we go. It's beautiful. It's raining now. We saved the maple tree. It looks happy. And erect. Look at the colors. The leaves are still on the trees and the snow. The snow's melting. This is good. All the snow's off the wires now. We had some flickerings of lights, but it never went off, fortunately. The little willow by the bass pond survived too. Our efforts paid off. Not sure you can see them, but there's a lot of goldfish hanging out on the deep spot under the little crossing bridge. Melting off the trees very quickly. This is good. Save our trees. Go get him! There she goes. She's loving it.